The fourth edition of the Invitational Table Tennis Championship to be held from April 26th to 28th at the Multipurpose Hall in Peddem from 9 am onwards. This championship will be in association with the Sports Authority of Goa and the Goa Table Tennis Association and will be conducted in 7 different categories. Few of the big stars that will participate in the championship include the current men's doubles national champions duo of Arjun Ghosh and Ronit Banja, two-time Olympian Soumyajit Ghosh, who has played in the 2009 and 2014 Olympics, the current men's number 4 Sudhanshu Grover, 7-time junior national champion Abhishek Yadav, current India youth number 3 Jeet Chandra. Apart from the Indian ranked players, we have Goan stars such as Wesley Rosario, Nagesh Verekar, Dheeraj Rai, Noel Narona, Ajit Gatkar, Shantesh Mapshikar.
So for the team championship, the men's team championship, we have 22 teams participating, which is the most we've received. And also in the under 14 team championships, we have 15 teams participating. So overall, there are more than 100 participants playing this event.